So this festival is full of art and creation. We chose the place of one of our most famous artists in Estonia, who has filled this area with art, sculptures, and erotic female bodies that will inspire you to be bold and beautiful from within. It allows us to be genuine and to be real in our life and bring more character into this world. And the festival environment gives you enough freedom to be real, to be authentic, to be colorful, beautiful, and loud. We don't have any cameras there, phones are not allowed, so you can really dive into this depth, this inner core of your beauty, of love that lives inside of you. And this love is spreading out throughout this whole crowd, so we all become one living, beautiful, loving organism that will keep everyone warmly within. So try this, come with us to this journey and share your love with us. Be part of this community, be part of this big family, and be bold, be brave to show your real self. Open up to love, and say yes to life. Say yes to yourself. Say yes to your life. Hope to see you there. Come to Tantra Festival 2023, 6th of July, Estonia, Lights Granite Villa. See you there.